Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix subscription canceling on Ladder. So if your Ladder subscription won't cancel, it's usually one of a few issues like wrong billing platform, hidden subscription layer like Apple, Google, Stripe, or a stack renewal state. So actually guys, first you will need to check where you're subscribed, okay? So this is the most important part. So you cannot cancel inside the app if you didn't subscribe there. So let's say that you used iPhone and that's the most common. So you'll need just to go to your device settings from here, tap the choice, and here guys you all need to go and tap on your Apple ID or your name that's located at the top of the settings just right here. So once you tap it, you will need just to go with the subscriptions option, the fourth option. Okay, so once you tap it, here you will need to find Ladder and tap it, and then just tap on cancel. Okay, and if there is no cancel button, like the subscription is stuck, this happens when the payment failed but subscription stayed active and Stripe retry loop didn't complete. Okay, so as a fix, you will need to update your payment method or contact Ladder support to manually cancel it. Okay, so they must remove it server side. So to contact the Ladder support, you will need just to get back to the app and then just tap on your profile icon or picture that's located at the top right corner, and then go and tap on the gear icon at the top right too. And now just go and scroll a little bit until you can see the support and feedback, tap it, and then go with contact support, the first option on the get help section, and then go with billing and account management option, so here where you can contact them. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.